Keyboard shortcuts. Use keyboard shortcuts for quick access to functions and features. For example, when navigating a document, F2 will take you to a previous reading unit. F3 will start and pause reading.
Almost. But this spring an egg hatched in the wild for the first time in about 20 years.
F4 will move you to the next reading unit. Use F7 to zoom in, and F8 to zoom out. In addition to the function keys, you can use Control, Shift, and Alt plus a letter to create more commands, such as Control plus D to find the definition of a word.